Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about building chatbots using the RASA framework. RASA framework is one of the most famous frameworks which is present in the market for creating the chatbots. Let's discuss the course outline first. First we will discuss about the basics of chatbot. What is a chatbot and where can we use chatbots, what are their advantages and use cases. Then we'll talk about RASA, the basics of it, the introduction of RASA, what is RASA, why RASA came into picture, the framework basics and all. Then we'll talk about how to do the installation of dependencies related to RASA. Again, we'll talk about basic terms like intents, user utterances, and stories, and how do they help us to guide our conversation flow. Once we have all those things discussed, we'll go ahead and test our bot in either CLI or a web UI. After that, we'll talk about our problem statement, the business problem that we are going to solve using RASA chatbot building framework. Then we will discuss the implementation of our solution. We'll create our own custom intent for whatever problem we have chosen for the conversation to take place. We'll talk about different intents. What are the utterances that user is going to say for those intents. Then we'll design our stories based on the conversation flow. And after that, we'll test our chatbot in the web UI provided by RASA itself. Once everything is working fine locally, and if you are satisfied with your chatbot's performance, then we can go ahead and deploy it to any channel, or we can integrate it to any other messaging provider. Here we are going to talk about Telegram integration.